Palm Harbor Homes,
Hi everyone, my name is Matt Nino. I am the president for Palm Harbor Retail Division. Today I'm here with Spencer Size. He's my general manager here in Lufkin, Texas. And we are standing socially distanced in our Magnum, one of our most popular homes of all time. This home is gigantic. Spencer, what do you like best about this home?
What I like best about this home is the open floor plan and the fact that it's actually 34 feet wide. It's as wide as you can get any manufactured home right now. And the master suite is as big as they come.
It really is a suite, and on top of that, this is the largest island you'll see in any home almost. It's 9 feet long. It's fantastic for families. We call this home, it's triple wide space in a double wide home. It's that big. The rooms are big, it's easy to enjoy, and the reason I'm here is because I've just given Spencer the permission to sell the display model. And we rarely do this, there's only one, and we're gonna be accepting any reasonable offer on this home. But Spencer, what is the asking price for this house?
So for this home, including delivery and setup to a local area within 50 miles, we're at $149,900 for this home.
Okay, I'll take $149,900, but if you love this home, and Spencer will have those pictures on his website, which is www.lufkin.palmharbor.com. We will be looking at any reasonable offer to move this home, but we are looking for a quick sale because we've got new inventory coming. Spencer, what's the phone number here if they just want to give you a call and set up a time to come by?
Yeah, if you want to check out any of our models, this one, as well as several of our other models that we have here on clearance, you can reach us at 936-637-7940.
And rest assured, just like you can see here, we've got plenty of sanitizer, social distancing. You want to wear a mask, bring your mask. We're happy to oblige and take care of you and your family. Thank you so much for your time.